everyone, Russell here again. So today I'll just show you real quick on how to do the clutch relearn. Okay, most important thing is you have to have it up to running temperature, which means at least 2 bars on the temperature gauge on the speedometer. And then it's super quick and easy after that. So I'll show you, and thanks again for watching. All right, we'll start off with turning the key on. Once everything settles down, okay, what we're gonna do, gas pedal all the way down, hold it for a second, let up, gas pedal all the way down, hold it for a second, gas pedal all the way down and hold it. Okay, then we're going to shift into low, where it says L, back to park, back to low, back to park, let off the gas pedal. Okay, so you see AT-MT came on, and that's flashing, so then we'll start the engine. Okay, so this process, so it'll keep flashing maybe for 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes. If the clutch relearn was successful, it'll stop blinking and the MT-AT will disappear. All right, so here's just a quick rundown on the process according to the service manual. So if you go to do it and you get a large U, that means it's at very low temperature, not warmed up at all. You get a little U, it's not warmed up enough. So make sure there's at least 2 bars on the temperature gauge. And then just to read it through, so you'll press the gas all the way down, release, press the gas all the way down, release, press the gas all the way down and hold it. And then that's when you go from park to low, and then back to park. Once it's in park, you will let the gas pedal up again, and that's when the MT-AT will be displayed, and it will start flashing in here. Okay, so if it starts flashing every half of a second, that means it was unsuccessful and you need to start over. Okay. If it just flashes and goes blank, like it stops flashing and goes blank, and the MT-AT is gone, then that means you have successfully done the clutch relearn process. And I highly, highly recommend just using the GN4 1030 or the 1040. That's the only thing I'll use. So in your Talon, you have 2 clutches, one for the 135 gears and one for the 246 gears. And if you use full synthetic oil, it will wear these out much faster. So this is a clutch that's been completely burnt. Okay, Honda will tell you do not use full synthetic oils because it's too slick. So if you do check on your clutches, it looks like this, they're probably good to go. If it's like this, your clutch is smoked. So your clutches will last much longer if you use the regular old conventional oil and do not use full synthetic. All right, when should you do a clutch relearn? Okay, I typically do it after every oil change. Okay, if it's not shifting properly, or if the AT-MT is displayed on your speedometer, then you need to do a clutch relearn. Typically, you won't have to. If you decide to change oil viscosity or something, you should do it. But I change the oil and then I do a clutch relearn.